Learn about another voice and culture of Taiwan with We Love Hakka.
现在就让我们一起加入客家风情，大家来讲客家吧。
鹿野乡瑞和村、瑞隆村一带的旧称为大原地区。日治时期，汉人到此开垦，即有客家、闽南、原住民等族群。此区属于10里地，除了靠近卑南溪河岸，可以开凿小水圳灌溉水田之外，大多数居民仅能种植旱作。丰原圳传奇即是记录客家族群当时在大原地区与阿美族共同开圳的故事。阿美族是以农耕为主的母系社会，不同族群共同合作，让干旱的荒埔变成600多甲良田，农村景观亦完全改变。
Hey, what's up? It's time to talk about Hakka here on Icrt. I'm Joseph Lin.
And I'm Nancy Sun.
Hi, Nancy.
Hi.
Let me ask you, you've done this Hakka segment with us for some time now. Do you know where the Hakka are most populated in Taiwan?
It's a pop quiz. I think of Hsinchu and I think of Kaohsiung.
Yeah, like Hsinchu, Taoyuan, also Miaoli, and in the south, Kaohsiung, Pingdong, all on the west coast. In fact, they actually have a good population in Taidong.
Oh, on the other side of the island, on the other side of Taiwan.
Yes, on the east coast in Taidong. And the reason that they moved out there, it was sort of second immigration by them because there was a surge of the sugarcane industry in Taidong. There's a lot of sugarcane fields out in Taidong, and they decided to go over there and work for these farms and whatnot.
Right, so they moved out there for opportunity and for employment. That actually sounds a lot like the gold rush. I'm thinking of the one in California,
the California
USA.
Gold Rush. Yeah. But this is, I guess, Taiwan's version of gold rush.
Yeah.
The sugar rush.
Exactly.
That's kind of cool.
Yeah.
And what's different is, for Americans, it's moving from the East Coast to the West.
Right.
This is from the West to the East.
Right, and both of these movements have led to a lot of innovation in, transportation and the local
technology
industry.
And all that.
Exactly.
And so they have developed a great irrigation system, the Hakka, over in Taidong. And there's a lot of irrigation canals that you can go and visit, and they're beautiful and they're functional. In fact, if you'd like to learn more about this, there is a documentary called 丰原郡传奇.
Right.
And I only know the surface of it, but if you want to know more details, go watch this documentary.
Cool.
All right, let's have Leo teach us some of these phrases that we kind of talked about, like immigration, 移民.
移民.
移民. Okay, that's 移民, immigration. And a documentary, or to document, 要记录, 不是纪录片, 记录.
记录.
记录. 记录, that's to document. And now we learned a little bit more about the immigration of Hakka to Taidong. That does it for today's Talk About Hakka. 安子 say 张来了.
客家风情由客家委员会监制。
We Love Hakka has been brought to you by the Hakka Affairs Council.